How to use your Petron BassBuds Jets TWS. Smart power on and pairing. Take out both the earbuds from the charging case or touch TSA on both the earbuds for 3 seconds. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds until left and right earbuds paired to each other. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and search Petron BassBuds Jets to connect with the device. Smart power off. Touch TSA on both the earbuds for 3 seconds or keep both the earbuds into the charging case. Connectivity Bluetooth automatic. Just turn on the Bluetooth earbuds, they will automatically connect to the last connected device. Calling or music through mono and dual buds. Mono bud use. Just place the right or left earbud back into the charging case. Dual buds use. Use left and right earbuds together. Voice assistant activation. Google or Siri. Touch TSA on either earbud for 2 seconds. Call and music functions. Answer, hang up a phone call, touch TSA on either earbud once. Reject a phone call. Touch TSA on either earbud for 2 seconds. Music play or pause. Touch TSA on either earbud once. Next song. Touch TSA on either earbud twice. Previous song. Touch TSA on either earbud thrice. Charging the earbuds. Place both the earbuds into the charging case properly. The earbuds will power off automatically when placed into the case. The red LED indicator is permanently on during charging. When earbuds are fully charged, the blue LED indicator will turn on and it will turn off in few seconds. Charging the case. Connect the charging cable to the case and the USB end to 5-watt power source. The digital display will show the battery percentage charged. Once it is 100%, remove the case from charging. Troubleshooting. Scenario 1. One earbud is not working. Place both the earbuds in the charging case. Take out both the earbuds together from the charging case. Wait until left and right earbud pair to each other. After successful matching, only one earbud will flash blue and red light. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, search for Petron BassBuds Jets and connect. Troubleshooting. Scenario 2. Earbuds not connecting or scanning. Place both the earbuds into the charging case. Take out both the earbuds together from the charging case. Unpair Petron BassBuds Jets from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Restart your Bluetooth device or phone. Troubleshooting. Scenario 3. Earbuds disconnecting during a phone call. Charge earbuds 100% before use. Restart the earbuds and reconnect with your device.